Practice every day, it will come automatically. The
Yeah,
solution
yeah.
is, Mr. Pavitra, practice every day. Practice,
Yeah.
practice, practice makes you perfect only. There is
I
no
have
other
seen
remedy.
I have seen your video, and
Mhm.
you have talked, not in India but a different country. You have talked.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. But that time I just feel I'm fine. And you?
yeah, I am very well too. Nice to see you, Mr. Satyavrat. Nice to see you, sir.
Also, sir. Nice to see you. What are you doing now?
Huh?
What are you doing now?
Well, I am talking with you. We are
Yes, yes.
talking right now.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
What are you doing in a sense? What are you doing in a sense? We are talking.
Yes, sir.
Well, uh,
I am in office.
uh-huh.
So I am doing work.
I see.
Uh,
You are in the
yeah,
office.
yeah.
What you do, sir?
Just,
What you do?
just I'm doing work as an accountant last
Uh,
10 years.
I see. You are
Yeah,
accountant.
yeah.
I see. And where are you calling from, sir?
I am calling from Delhi.
Delhi. Where in Delhi? Where in Delhi?
I'm living in Narayana village, Delhi.
Narayana village, Delhi. Yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
That's a great. That's a great. Fantastic.
yeah.
Since
I have
when? Yeah, tell me.
I have seen a video in YouTube. You are so famous in YouTube, but I was looking for you since long, but eventually you got me. I am very happy to meet you.
Well, contact me. My number is available in the description box below. You know,
Yeah.
everybody can call me, anybody can contact me. You will find my number in the description box below in each and every of my video.
Yeah, I have seen, sir. I have seen.
Then why you delay, sir? Why you delay? Why you call me late? You should have called me earlier.
Yeah. Okay. No, I thought you are going busy, so I didn't call you right now.
Sometime, sometime, sir, not all the time. Sometime.
Yeah.
Yes. So, sir,
But
what's yeah? Tell me.
I have seen a video in YouTube. You are so famous in YouTube. So
Hmm.
I was looking for you since long. Eventually you
I,
got me. I am very glad to see you, sir.
me too, sir. Me too. I am
Okay.
also glad to see you. That's a fantastic thing, to talking with
Yeah.
you. That's amazing. It's an amazing experience I'm having right now.
Yeah,
Fantastic
thank
things.
you. Sir, I want to ask you some question.
Yeah,
Can I
please.
ask?
Please, please.
Sir, actually, I don't understand one thing. How to discuss any topic? When I come to discuss any topic, but my mind was gone. So I don't have anywhere to say anything.
Well, it's required practice, Mr. Satyavrata. It's required
Yes,
practice, you know.
I know that, but actually, first of all, I didn't get time. 9:30 to 6 o'clock, I been to office. After that, I go to home, and I have to fill water and make dinner. So that's why I didn't get time for practice. I do, but little bit.
So you live in alone. You are bachelor.
Yeah. I am bachelor. I living alone, sir.
And where are you from? What's your native place?
My native place is Odisha, but I living in Delhi.
I see, I see. So why
Yeah.
don't you get married? Why don't you get married? Then you no need to fill the water, no need to cook the food. Why
My
don't you get married?
everyone saying like this in my
Mm,
office. So
mm-hmm.
everybody is telling me, why didn't you get married? But I don't interest to get married right now.
Why?
I don't
Okay.
know. I don't understand one thing, but I just caring when I hearing to to marry.
I see. I see. You know,
Yeah,
there is a one quote. There is a one quotation in English. Every dog has a day. Every dog.
yeah.
So your day will
I
also come. Your day also will come.
absolutely, sir, absolutely. I'm waiting that day, sir.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And what brings you here, Mr. Satyavrata? What brings you here? Why you wanted to learn English? What's going on?
Actually, I like English language, and another thing is English is global language. Everybody
Hmm,
speak English. So when I see anyone speak English, so I want to also learn English.
I see.
But yeah, English is a global language. So when you go anywhere, you have to speak English.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So what's okay? This is the reason, but what's your reason? I want to know. This is the other people's
Uh,
reason. What's your personal reason?
Actually, someone calling me talk to English, so I just talk somewhere,
Pardon, pardon,
anywhere.
pardon me, sir. Could you please repeat again?
When I speak English, I talk.
I see. When you speak English, you stuck.
Yeah, yeah.
I see. I see. Do you people speak English in your office?
No one speak English, but when I'll speak each other, anybody, so they don't me speak in Hindi, don't use English, and criticize me also.
They criticize you also. I see. I
Yeah.
see. I think there is a negativity. They don't want to learn English. That's why they told you like that. Okay, it happened. It
I,
happened.
I was looking for since long.
Hmm.
When you will get me. Eventually, you got me. I am very glad, sir. I am very glad to meet you.
It's my fortune. It's not your glad. It's my fortune. It's my privilege, Mister, that I
Yeah,
am helping you, however. My
yeah.
mentality to help people, and I'm feeling very great to helping you
I know.
over here right now.
I have seen your many videos in YouTube. You inspire girls and boys.
Hmm.
So uh, when I watched your video, so that
I
time
see.
I just feeling I just speaking myself.
No, no, you should say when I watch your video, I feel, not feeling, I feel,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I feel.
I feel. Good.
Yes, absolutely.
When I watch a video, I feel good.
Yes, that's great. You feel good,
Yeah,
you feel great, you feel good, you feel
yeah,
inspired by me, isn't it?
yeah, yeah.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. That's great. And what's your dream, Mr. Satyavrata? What do you want to do in your life?
I have many dreams, but due to this family
Hmm.
problem,
I see.
so I couldn't go ahead.
I see. What's your family problem? Tell me. What happened to your family?
So family problem is my mother father wants now get marry me, so I didn't deny him. I don't want to marry right now.
Well, tell them that I'm not ready right now. I will get married later on
Yeah,
after
actually,
1 or 2 years.
I don't understand.
Tell him like that.
Actually, I don't understand
Well,
one thing. When I listen Mary name, so I just caring. I don't know why it's happened with me. Why just happened with me? I don't.
marriage is very good thing. It's very beautiful things. After
Yeah, yeah,
marriage, you will realize what is
yeah.
marriage.
Are you married?
After,
Are you married?
what do you think? What do you think?
Are you married?
And that's why I'm asking you. What do you think? I'm married or what? What do you think?
I think you have got married.
No, I am looking for.
oh, oh yeah, right.
But I wanted to recommend you one thing: go and get married and tell me your experience. So it would be great for me whether I would go to married or not. So go and
yeah,
get
yeah.
married and let me know your experience that after marrying, what is the life? How many brothers and sisters do you have, sir?
I have one brother, and I am a big brother, and I have a young brother and mother, father. I have small family.
I see. They all live in Odisha.
I'm living in Odisha, Kendrapada district. Do you know?
No, I have no. No, right now you are in Delhi, but I'm talking about your family. They are in Odisha right now, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, right, right.
I see. Absolutely. Absolutely. That's a great. That's a very good. That's a very good. Then
Thank
Mr.
you, thank you.
Satyavrata. Then Mr. Satyavrata, I think it's a time to move on. Tell me if you would like to know anything related to English, or if I can help you anything more related to English, you can ask me any question. Do you have any question?
First of all, that question for you. When I'll speak English, I stop
Mm.
somewhere place. How
Hmm.
to remove that? How to remove that?
Well, practice every day. It will go on automatically.
Yeah, yeah.
Practice every day. Practice every day. Automatically
How
will
to
go.
how to practice every day? Can you tell me?
Likewise, we are doing right now. What we are doing, we are practicing the same thing.
Yeah,
If
yeah,
you
yeah.
will do like this, your hesitation will go.
Yeah, just I want to memorize words, but
Mm,
words don't come on mind
mm.
when I speak English.
Yes, absolutely. That's what I'm telling you. Practice every day. Practice every day. It will come automatically. The
Yeah, yeah,
solution is, Mr. Pavitra, practice every day. Practice,
yeah.
practice, practice makes you perfect only. There is
I
no
have
other
seen your
remedy.
video, and
Mhm.
you have talked not in India but a different country. You have talked.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. But that time I just feel very good myself.
I say.
I
Well,
wish
you
I, I I wish I had to you. Uh,
you can speak too. You can speak likewise me. Likewise I speak. You can speak too. But it's required consistent practice.
right,
It's a required practice. It's a
practice
required
is everything.
practice. Yes, practice everything in English. In English,
Yeah, yeah.
practice is everything, Mr.
But
Pavitra.
one thing more, I want to ask you. Uh, when I speak English, that have to translate me. First of all, I think Hindi. After that, I just uh,
I'll tell you,
after that,
there is only one remedy: practice. These things also will remove automatically. Practice every day.
yeah, yeah,
Whatever you are the facing problem right now, it will go. But you have to
yeah,
practice. Practice only. Practice. Practice.
yeah, 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 yeah,
Hesitation. You're thinking in Hindi. Word does not come in your mouth. Everything will go.
yeah,
Practice every day. Practice every day.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay?
But one thing more. Uh, how I discuss any topic.
Depends on you. It depends on you. I can't say that how you discuss any topic. I can't say anything. But why don't you look before start talking with anybody? Why don't you revise your topic, or you should read something from internet or any other books? So it would be great for you. It would be good for you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have
Okay.
I have I, I have also I have also seen videos Mr. Anand and
Mm-hmm.
Miss Kavita and
Mm-hmm.
anything more I have seen in YouTube video. Every day
Yes. Yes.
I was watching.
Mm.
I am watching every day video and listening English language.
I am watching. No, sir. You should say I watch. I watch videos every day. Not I was watching, not I am watching. I watch the different
I watch.
conversation. I watch. I
Got the
watch
point.
the video. Yeah, this is we call simple present tense. I watch. It's mean that you are not
Yeah,
watching right now. You didn't watch yesterday. You watch every day. This is your habit. You should say I watch. I watch, not I watching, not I was watching, not I'm watching. I watch.
I watch video every day in YouTube, right?
Yes, that's great. Yes, I
Yeah,
watch video every day. I practice my English every day. I drink tea, I drink milk, I drink everything, whatever I want every day.
yeah,
It's
yeah,
kind
yeah,
of a habit. So,
yeah.
Mr. Pavitra, allow me to go, sir. I have to go. I have meeting. Allow me to go. We'll see you again, inshallah, next time. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Take care. Bye.